I'm Casey Sellingham, Superintendent for Doppelmayr USA here on the Sun Valley Seattle Ridge project. Today, me and the crew from Sun Valley Rigging Specialties and Doppelmayr USA are all here splicing the haul rope up, just kind of finishing up our last major milestone, really. So we have a 45mm haul rope, which is good for a significant amount of weight. So we'll be able to put approximately just shy of 100 6-person carriers on this thing, which will greatly increase the uphill capacity, especially with our increased speed of 5 meters a second compared to the old lift, which should help the lift run faster, more stable, more smoothly, get more people up the hill faster for everybody. This is a pretty major step for us, definitely a major milestone. Marks the light at the end of the tunnel for us. Just the home stretch is just finishing everything up and buttoning up all of our loose ends here, and this is the biggest one of all of them, with 50,000 pounds of rope up at the top of the hill. After this, we hang chairs and finish up loose ends and do final mechanical adjustments and electrical commissioning, and then we move on into turning over to the public and get the lift back to you guys.